You have no idea. Like, I don't even entertain. And the messages that men send, and asking about the casual relationship. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ word ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਸ਼ਨੇਦਾ।
ਅੱਛਾ।
ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਗੂਗਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੀ ਸ਼ਰਮ ਵੀ ਆਈ ਤੇ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਿ ਏਦਾਂ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ।
This is normal these days.
And it is very normal.
अच्छा, अभी तो एक और नया रिलेशनशिप भी आ गया ना, situationship.
There are so many. Situationship, microship,
ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ?
nanoship.
अच्छा।
I don't know exactly all the meanings, but they're like different versions of relationship. But it's for the new generation, Gen Z.
You are also one of Gen Z.
I'm not Gen Z. I'm millennial.
अच्छा, millennium. अच्छा।
So these kind of terms are very common these days, especially with the people who are under 30. Yeah. Okay, if things are not working out, so we're in a situationship where we're also finding another person, both of the people, and still they're in a relationship.